Hey people, I hope you don't use the word very often. So let's see what words we can use instead of very angry, very upset, very beautiful. So let's get started. Very angry, furious. For example, I was furious when he crashed my car. So instead of very angry, you can say furious. Very beautiful, gorgeous. For example, the view of the mountains was gorgeous as we stood on the shore looking over the ocean. So instead of very beautiful, you can say gorgeous. Very big, massive. For example, 8 massive stone pillars supported the roof. So instead of saying very big, you can say massive. Very noisy, deafening. A deafening cheer went up from the crowd. So instead of saying very noisy, you can say deafening. Very poor, destitute. The floods left thousands of people destitute. So instead of saying very poor, you can say destitute. Very cheap, stingy. Her father is very rich and stingy. So instead of saying very cheap, you can say stingy. Very clean, spotless. He has a spotless record so far. So instead of saying very clean, you can say spotless. Very short, brief. A brief summary is given on a separate sheet. So instead of saying very short, you can say brief. Very difficult, arduous. She took the arduous task of monitoring the elections. So instead of saying very difficult, you can say arduous. Very dry, arid. The desert is so arid that nothing can grow here. So instead of saying very dry, you can use arid. Very quick, rapid. The gunman fired 3 times in rapid succession. So instead of saying very quick, you can say rapid. Very bad, awful. I feel awful about forgetting her birthday. So instead of saying very bad, you can use awful. Very smart, intelligent. Jack is an intelligent person, but he lacks motivation. So instead of saying very smart, you can say intelligent. Very sad, sorrowful. She looked sorrowful and dejected. So instead of saying very sad, you can use sorrowful. Very upset, distraught. Kesha was too distraught to cry. So instead of saying very upset, you can say distraught. Very cold, freezing. It is freezing cold now. Instead of saying very cold, you can say freezing. Very strong, forceful. She is a confident and forceful leader. So instead of saying very strong, you can say forceful. Hey, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share our video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.